Dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So today I am going to show you a different type of sum, that is case study. Case study of mathematics. It is our first case study of half yearly. We will learn a lot of case studies in half yearly. So it is our first case study. You have learned it already in pre-mid term. And you have enjoyed a lot, I know. Today also we will learn the case study. In this case study I will show you a picture, and from the picture there will be few characters and the picture will tell a story. From the story there will be some question. I have made some question and you have to answer it. Okay, so let's start our today's class. What is case study number 1? Let's see. Dear students, let's start our first case study. In this first case study, what you can observe that in the left side, you can see there is a picture. And in this picture, you can the picture is telling us a story. What story is telling us? That the few characters are there. 3 girls are there and 2 boys are there. They are doing different things. Some of them are reading the book, one of them are writing in the board, and one of them is playing with the globe. So these are the characters doing in the picture. Now the question is, here you have to observe the picture very carefully, then you have to answer the question. Okay, so how many books are opened in the picture? How many books are opened in the picture? Just look at the picture. See, you can easily understand what will be the open means what. So, how many books are opened? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, the answer is option A, 4. Now, my dear students, let us check what is the second question. How many 2 digits numbers are there in the wall clock? Option A, 12. Option B, 3. See, in the wall there is a wall clock. But the wall clock is not visible here properly. Yes. But you know that generally in wall clock, how many numbers are there? There are from 1 to 12. How many numbers are there? First of all you check. Then you have to find that how many numbers are 2 digit or of 2 digit. 2 digit means ones and tens place should be there. So, you can easily find out that the answer will be 3 because 10 and 11 and 12 numbers are there in the clock. So, 10, 12 and 11 having 2 digit numbers. So, now let us check the third question. It is very interesting question. See, the letter having one horizontal line of symmetry written in the board. See, you have to find out here the letter which is written in the board. Among the 2 letters, which letter having one horizontal line of symmetry? See, you know that it's a question from line of symmetry. So, which is called line of symmetry? First of all, you need to know that. Line of symmetry means a line which divides a shape into 2 equal halves. That is called line of symmetry. So, a girl is writing 2 letters in the board, A and B. Among A and B, which letter have one line of symmetry and that is also horizontal? Can you tell me? Option A, B is the right answer because the letter B having one horizontal line of symmetry. Now, let us start our fourth question. The fourth question is the example of the sphere in the picture. See, in the picture there is different kinds of things are there. So, the options what is given? That is option A, globe, and option B, clock. What will be the answer? See, first of all we need to know that how a sphere look like. The sphere look like a football. If you take the football, if you touch the football, how you feel? That is the example of a sphere. So, you know that which is similar with the football? Globe or clock? Which is similar with the football? The similar shape of football is globe. Okay, not the clock. So, the answer will be option A, globe. Look at the fifth question. In the fifth question, what is written? How many pairs of eyes are there in the picture? Option A 5, option B 10. See, pairs means what? Pairs means, a pair means two things. That means a pair means like a pair of shoes. That means two shoes. So pair of eyes means what? Two eyes. How many two? You have to check that how many girls and boys are there. The total number of boys and girls are 5. So 5 twos are 10. That means total number of eyes is 10. But how many pairs of eyes are there? That means each boys or girls having two eyes. That means a pair of eyes. That means 5 will be the answer. So the answer will be option A 5. Means 5 pairs of eyes are there. Now let us read the 6th number question. What is in the 6th number question? How many books are there in the top row? How many books are there in the top row of the bookshelf? And option A, it is 8 written, and option B, it is 7 written. So you have to count the number of books in the bookshelf. The top row means the upper one. The upper row, how many books are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of books in the upper row is 7. So the answer will be option B 7. It is very simple and easy question. Let us read the 7th number question. It is also very interesting question. That is, the view of the book seen by the red t-shirt boy is option A top view, option B side view. See, you know that how we can see the top view of an object, how we can see the front view of an object, and how we can see the side view of an object. As the boy is lying down in the floor, and that means he should looks like from the he should looks downwards, no? So when he looks downwards, then he will see in the top view only, top view of the book. So the answer will be option A top view, because the boy is lying down in the floor and he will see in the top. Read the 8th number question. In the 8th number question, what is written? Total number of rectangles in the window without the curtain part. That means the curtain part, you have to leave the curtain part. You have to find out the total number of rectangles in the window part. So the total number of rectangles are 1, 2, this 2 part of the window, and the whole window itself a rectangle. So we can say that the answer will be option B 3. Now this is our 9th question, 9th number question. If the number of boys doubled, find the total number of boys in the picture. See, option A 7, option B 4. What will be the total number of boys in the picture? See, if the number of boys are doubled, so first of all you have to count that how many boys are there. There is 2 boys. So if it is doubled, that means you have to multiply it by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So the answer will be 4. It is our last question of this class. That is, which table we need to learn to watch the time. Means watch the time in clock. Which table we need to learn? Table of 5 or table of 8? It is very simple. You know the answer. That is, the answer will be option A, table of 5. This is the answer. Okay. So today up to this, thank you, and you will get the PDF in the school website also. So thank you.